Hello everyone, welcome to this session of geography. Today we are going to map some of the national parks of the northern area. Now let's see, in the previous sessions we have devised some of the methods to reach out to some areas. For example, Delhi you can reach now, and if you drop a line from Delhi it will have to pass through Tirunelveli, which we have already seen. Now just taking that reference and maybe drawing some more lines, let's find out what all can we make in the map of India. So again, before you is the blank map of India, and we just have to mark some of the national parks which are important for the optional as well as for the GS part. Now let's see how can we reach up to some of the areas. Now we have to take certain references here. For example, we'll start with the northernmost of it, and that is your Dachigam National Park. Your Dachigam National Park. This is your Dachigam National Park, known for its exclusive species. We'll also try to cover some of the species in some sessions, but for the time being I'm just trying to give you a way to mark some of the areas or some of the national parks today. This is the Dachigam National Park. And we just have to drop a line, in this fashion. And we'll see that at this end we have Dudhwa National Park. This is your Dudhwa National Park. So here we had Dachigam National Park coming to your Dudhwa National Park. Now you don't have to do much now. Just see that we will take some equidistant points and we will reach to some other parks. For example, just tracing from Dudhwa National Park, if I just go above, I'll find here the Corbett National Park. We have the Corbett National Park here, the Corbett National Park. Again take the same equidistance and reach up to here. And a very important here is your Valley of Flowers. Valley of Flowers, very important one. And people are often confused between this silent valley and the Valley of Flowers. Then again take some distance, but now an extended one, and reach up to your Great Himalayan National Park. The Great Himalayan National Park. And at the end of it, or maybe in between, we can also mark here, we have Kishtwar. Here we have Kishtwar National Park. Kishtwar National Park. So this will be in this fashion. We start from Dudhwa, then we go to Corbett, then we have Valley of Flowers, then we have Great Himalayan National Park, Kishtwar, and the Dachigam. So almost they would lie into this line that we have tried to make. And you also understand that if I just have to take one more reference, here somewhere you can mark that we have the National Capital Territory of Delhi. National Capital Territory of Delhi. Also, if I just were to give you one more reference, you can also see that a line that might be passing through Dudhwa will also be passing through somewhat near your Kanchenjunga National Park. The Kanchenjunga National Park. And then at the end of tip, now I am just like tracing like this, and I also find one point which is here, and that is this is your Namdapha National Park. And I'm sure you can try to give me the states in which these points, these national parks might be lying. So it's interesting, if I reach up to Dudhwa National Park, I can also reach to Kanchenjunga and again to Namdapha. But that we'll have to keep in mind that Namdapha would be at a latitude which would be above this Dudhwa or the Kanchenjunga. That will be all for this session. Thank you so much.